Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, make sure to subscribe for more content like this. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to audition for Pnation. So if you guys missed that, make sure to watch it, the entire series. I have so many companies included in there. Also, if there's a company that is not included in this series that you'd still like to audition for, but you're having trouble doing so, you can join Patreon for that. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. On Google, and we're going to search up or click onto the first thing that's there. We're going to click onto audition, which is the fifth tab, a little thing. So for some reason, my English thing isn't working. It isn't translating to English. So if yours does, great for you, but I can also translate it on the spot if it isn't working for you as well. So let's see. So you can audition anytime for vocal, dance, rap, acting, and then music producing. So any nationality, any gender, any age can audition here. And how you can audition is send a 1 to 3 minute vocal, rap, dance, acting video, or a recording along with the form that they give you to this email. And they will contact you individually. If you guys do want to know the more specifics about this, you can watch his YouTube video that is uploaded about the Pnation audition. I haven't watched it yet, but kind of curious to see the comments. This girl needs to watch my video, or boy. So let's look at the downloading form. Save. This is very similar to the other audition videos that I did. I've done so many application forms, it feels like they're all blending into one. Anyways, let me just explain this. So your name, your sex, your date of birth, your height and weight, preferably in kilograms and centimeters, your school/occupation, which one you want to do, so vocal, rap, acting, dance, and then music producing, your address, your cell phone number, your email, your SNS, your career/self-introduction, so this could be talents, audition experience, and awards. You can watch my other videos if you guys want to know some examples of those, because they honestly are very general. They don't exactly tell you what they're looking for. So yeah, if you are under the international age of 14, then you need your parents' permission to sign. So it would actually be age 13, sorry. So if you're under that age, then you need to sign this form with your parents. So your name, your contact, and then your consent. So just check that off or sign it. And then it says, Pnation reserves the rights to keep audition materials filmed/recorded. These materials can be uploaded on our homepage. Companies actually used to do this. I don't know what happened to this these days, but they used to upload really good audition clips, and people will be like, oh my god, if she doesn't debut, I don't know, K-pop is looking dark. Things like that. And the applications should only be based off of facts, obviously. And applicants agree Pnation's collecting personal information. Personal information of applicants will be used for audition only. Pnation will not return the video, pictures, applications after the audition. So just little warnings like that. You write the date, your name, and then your signatures. Not signature. That's it. All you have to do is fill this in, download the form, and then just send an email to them. Pretty straightforward. So sorry because I forgot to mention about their Pnation audition Instagram. So if you just scroll down, you can see that they really often update you about the latest auditions. So for example, this is JYP and Psy's collaboration of Loud, which I didn't make a video about because it's ending soon, plus 90% of my viewers are female, so I'm so sorry if you are, because they only accept males here, but I'm so sorry about that. Anyways, but they do really update you about stay home auditions, so that was October 31st. Follow them if you want to be up to date with that. But yeah, this is their official Instagram, which really has nothing to do with auditions, but you can see there are a lot more posts there. So those are the two ones that you can follow. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe if you're new and check out my other episodes in this series, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.